I am sure most of you are using Google Chrome to visit different websites and to surf internet. But do you know how much secure Google Chrome is? Let's find out by running a test with this amazing website, Cover Your Tracks. Here is the result. As we can see, the result says the Chrome browser is not protected. Website can track us easily. It is not blocking ads, it is not blocking invisible trackers, and Chrome is giving 18.38 bytes of data to every website you visit. The data contains details of your browser as well as of your operating system. It is giving information about your hardware configuration and operating system and many more. This information is enough to track your current location and to find out your identity. Let's run this test one more time, but this time we will use Tor browser. As you can see, this time the picture is very different. The result says the browser is using strong protection against web tracking and it is blocking ads as well. It is blocking ads as well as invisible trackers, and it is also giving protection against footprinting. Instead of 16 bits of data, Tor is only giving 6.38 bytes of data, which is very less as compared to Chrome. Moreover, if you see the details carefully, you will find that most of the data the Tor is giving to the website is incorrect. It means if you use Tor, it will become almost impossible for the website you visiting to track your current location and to find out your identity. So if you want Tor on your Windows machine with this level of security, keep watching this video. What's up everyone, this is me Rahul Best. Welcome to Youth Destination. Without wasting time, let's begin this video. I have divided this video into 3 parts. Since second part is optional, you can skip it. In order to download Tor browser, first you need to open your favorite browser and go to www.torproject.org and hit enter. Once the web page gets loaded, click on download button and then click on download for Windows. I'm saving this file on desktop, but you can save this file to any directory. Now Tor has been downloaded and the file is in desktop. To double check and to ensure no modification is made to the file by anyone while downloading, we have to verify signature of the file. In order to verify signature, we need to download and install GPGWin, which is a open source software. Now install it by clicking next, next, next. Now download .asc file and open command window. And copy paste these command one by one. Now it is showing good signature. It means your file is verified and you are ready to go for installation process. You can delete these two files as we don't need it anymore. Now open Onion browser installer and click next to install the browser. Once done, it will look like this. Now click on connect. Now you are connected to the Tor network. To connect more security, you have to connect bridges to your Tor browser. Click on Get Bridges. And fill the CAPTCHA and click Done. Now copy all these strings and open settings. Click on Tor and put these strings here. Now make it browser to the safest. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured the Tor browser in your Windows machine. Here you can check the bridge is working and currently you are connected with internet from US. If you want new IP and identity, you can click here. Now Tor will restart and provide you new IP address and identity. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel so that we can come up with new exciting videos. And don't forget to hit bell icon.